Excuse me. Excuse me.
You like it, Nita? You think that's pretty cool? No? Well, how would you do it? You're only 19 months old. You don't know. You don't know. What do you think, Nita? Oh. You like it better now, huh? You like green?
Well, yeah, I bet that's very cover. But I had to dig through a hole, so I had to go Mom's on school when I get go Mom still had to make a hole.
You made a hole?
Yeah, but
okay, well that was quick.
Not the weather hole. I want to say bye to her.
I thought you did say bye to her.
But I would say bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. I give her a hug and kiss.
Well, that's very nice.
Why is this fever?
Want to get more lights for the computer?
Yes.
Yeah, it's blue and green.
Mom gets home, okay? Mom gets home soon.
Yeah, maybe I'll show it to Mom. She's not too tired.
We have all the time ever had before.
I've never seen anything like it before either.
Yes, it is just the same. So I speak the book. I'd be right here to go. Here we go. And here's this beaver. Here we go, Dad. Beaver.
You're going to give the computer a shot now.
Beaver shop.
Okay.
Beaver shop.
Let's see what happens.
Hey, what happened? Look at this glow.
Doesn't seem to be doing much glowing yet. Let's see what happens.
No.
I think it's starting to glow.
It didn't glow yet.
Yeah, all the dye's still stuck up here.
I'm stuck. Are you help water?
Yeah, I think it needs a little help.
Are you having help water? No. It's not going. Here's bottom. I'm not seeing more glowing.
No, a little bit of glow. Just a little bit.
I see some dust water.
Probably have to put more dye.
I gotta get some more water. Where's the water? There it is. Where is
It's a nice glow if it was a little stronger.
Let me